I believe this is a first generation Nexus 7. If you find one on eBay, I wouldn't suggest buying it. Here's one problem I've run into. It has the latest latest Android installed into it. I already just clicked the power button and it's still waiting to load. This is already on. I'm just trying to unlock the thing. And this is really annoying. It's just super slow. I haven't factory reset it yet, but yep, that happens sometimes. Let's see if I can get it to. It just crawls. I disabled whatever services I could. I tried doing a trim fix for the SSD. I tried clearing the cache, removing whatever apps I could. This is a horrible tablet 8 years later. I just made a video about my, where is it? iPad 2. This iPad 2, which is 3 years older, kicks the butt of this old Nexus 7. This is one of the reasons why a lot of people just can't take old Android tablets, because they just don't work after a while, whereas I got this old iPad there that still works after 10 years. And so you can see, I just want to just log in. It won't let me. The only solution is to power down. So this is my Nexus 7 that won't let me log in because it won't even let me swipe to put in my, it won't even load the keyboard. So that's my story. I was going to show you how slow it is, but I think this is enough showing you that I can't even log in because it won't let me log in. Like, it'll show the login window, but the keyboard will never load. So I don't know a solution. If you know a solution, give me a suggestion. If it's the factory reset, I guess I'll have to factory reset this thing. But right now, I'm going to call it a day. You see, it's not coming out. Nope. There. This is what usually happens. It loads this. About 20 seconds later, it just turns off. So I'm waiting for the keyboard. Waiting for the keyboard. And it goes out. Over and out.